Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can make the Midori web browser your default web browser on Windows 10 or on Windows 11. So let us dive into this. Alright guys, so let me open up Midori here on my Windows computer, and if you'd like to make it your default browser, this is how it works. So click into that gear icon in the bottom left corner here on your home screen. And then guys, what you want to do is navigate to General in the top left. And here guys, you will see that most likely Midori is currently not your default browser with that sad smiley here or emoji to the left. Well, a smiley can't be sad because it smiles, but we don't know what I mean. So we'll simply navigate to make default here. And that is going to redirect you to your device's application settings. You may also see that notification in the bottom right corner with these instructions, but I'm going to guide you through this anyway. So what you want to do is navigate to your current web browser. As you can see, my device's operating system's language is not English right now, but it will be in your native language or in English for you. So you will see one tab here with the current web browser, which is Google Chrome for me. Click into it and simply look for Midori. And there it is. Select it, and that's it. After that, you may click into then here. I will leave it at Google Chrome, but that's at least how it works. You can close that tab here, and then you will see also that emoji changing to a smiley in this case, making Midori your default browser. And whenever you open, for example, I don't know, a folder or a document on your computer that needs access to a web browser, it will automatically redirect or be opened via the default browser, in this case here Midori. So that's how it works. I hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.